Now to our focus on the battle for Maharashtra. Just a month ahead of assembly elections in the state, alliance partners from both ends of the political spectrum have locked horns over seat sharing. The Shiv Sena and the BJP have both hardened their stand on seat sharing, triggering a stalemate. The fate of the Congress-NCP alliance too hangs in the balance, with their talks over seat sharing hitting a roadblock. Reports now indicate that Sonia Gandhi and Sharad Pawar may hold a meeting in an attempt to resolve the crisis. There seems to be no resolution in sight over the seat-sharing tussle between the BJP and the Shiv Sena ahead of the crucial assembly elections. In fact, the war of words between the alliance partners has only intensified. Signalling more trouble for the BJP, the Shiv Sena said it will not be dictated by anyone and that any decision taken by party chief Uddhav Thackeray on the alliance would be final. The strong rebuttal came shortly after the BJP gave an ultimatum to its old-time ally to agree to its terms or face a divorce.
चीफ उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने शिवसेना नेताओं की एक मीटिंग बुलाई, चर्चा हुई। महाराष्ट्र में जो गठबंधन है उस बारे में हमारी पूरी चर्चा हुई। शिवसेना के सभी नेताओं ने शिवसेना पक्ष प्रमुख उद्धव ठाकरे जी को पूरे अधिकार दिए हैं इस बारे में निर्णय लेने का। हमने कहा कि महाराष्ट्र का आत्मसम्मान और शिवसेना का स्वाभिमान हमारे लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। ये आत्मसम्मान शिवसेना प्रमुख जी का विचार, उसका उस बारे में विचार लेने का, बारे में सब कुछ निर्णय लेने का अधिकार हमने।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी और शिवसेना के बीच आपस में युति को लेकर बातचीत हो रही है। अल्टीमेटम का कोई विषय नहीं है। शिवसेना के नेताओं की बैठक में मालूम पड़ा कि शिवसेना के कोई नेता जो हमने प्रपोजल बात कही है उस पर क्या कहना है वो बताएंगे और इसमें चर्चा होती रहेगी। सबसे आग्रह होना चाहिए वो भ्रष्ट और पॉलिसी पैलेस वाली कांग्रेस एनसीपी सरकार को अपने पद से हटाना और जनता को राहत देना।
The BJP's core committee of the state is slated to meet today to deliberate on a new strategy to end the stalemate. The BJP had proposed after its landslide victory in the Lok Sabha elections that both parties should contest from 135 seats each, but the Sena rejected this demand. The Shiv Sena is looking to contest from 150 seats in the October polls. In the 2009 elections, the BJP had contested from 119 and the Sena from 169. However, this time the alliance equation has become more broad-based with the inclusion of 4 more parties.
तो नरेंद्र भाई का चेहरा आ गया, सब लोगों ने स्वीकार किया। अब महाराष्ट्र की बात आई, महाराष्ट्र का भी चेहरा होना चाहिए। कौन है महाराष्ट्र का चेहरा? किसके ऊपर जो लोग मतदान करेंगे तो वो देखेंगे भाई हमें किसके ऊपर भरोसा करना चाहिए।
उद्धव ठाकरे चेहरा है, मान रहे हैं आप?
मैं क्यों नहीं मानूं? रोज मैं आईना देखता हूं। लोग अगर मेरे ऊपर भरोसा करना चाहते हैं, विश्वास रखना चाहते हैं, तो उसमें बुराई क्या है?
मैं तो दोनों पार्टियों को अपील करना चाहता हूं कि बीजेपी ने 2 कदम आगे बढ़ा है, दूसरे लोग भी 2 कदम आगे बढ़कर युति का काम का निपटारा करें और महाराष्ट्र के अंदर परिवर्तन की शुरुआत करें। मगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता सम्मान के साथ समाधान चाहता है। सम्मान के भोग पर सम्मान के बगैर समाधान नहीं होगा।
Let's get in a word from our correspondent Amita Shirge, who's with us live from Mumbai this morning. Amita, yesterday there were some signs of the BJP softening its stance, but now again both sides digging in their heels as far as seat sharing is concerned. What is expected to take place today? Any meetings planned?
Simi, the seat sharing issue is getting complicated in Maharashtra because BJP has given 12 hours ultimatum to Shiv Sena, but Shiv Sena is saying that we do not believe in any such kind of ultimatum. Shiv Sena is saying that we want the old formula, which is of 119 for BJP and 169 for Shiv Sena. And BJP is saying that we can give us 125 seats for BJP and 145 seats for Shiv Sena and remaining 18 for the other alliance parties. But somewhere Shiv Sena is not ready to accept that BJP has given 12 hours hours ultimatum. Shiv Sena is not ready to accept that. In yesterday's public meeting also, Amit Shah clearly said that the public in Maharashtra should bring out the BJP government in state. He did not use the word of Mahayuti government, so that is a big question. He clearly said that the BJP government. Now today there is a core committee meeting of BJP, and today this is an important day because BJP said that we have given ultimatum. Now Shiv Sena has to come out with some solution because days are running, and the negative impact is going between the public, because they are saying that the days are running out, the election is announced now, we have to come out with some kind of solution. The other alliance parties are playing the role of mediator. They are also talking to the BJP leaders, also Shiv Sena leaders also. They are saying that the time is running out, we have to come out with the solution. Shiv Sena somewhere is not agree with that. The series of meetings are going on in Matoshri at Uddhav Thackeray's residence. So today is important day because BJP will be taking a core committee meeting in BJP office. They will be coming out with some solution. But what decision Shiv Sena takes, what decision Uddhav Thackeray takes is an important thing. But next 24 hours are crucial for the politics, for the seat sharing issue in Mahayuti. Back to you.
Absolutely, an alliance troubles for the Congress as well. Sharad Pawar and Sonia Gandhi are expected to hold a meeting. Amrita, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more.